In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitly link in bio. First, make sure you're logged into your Bitly account, then head over to your Bitly home dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see your links, stats, and tools. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Bitly lets you create and manage link in bio style pages, sometimes called launchpads. If this is your first time using Pages, you'll see an option that says Create your first page. Click that. Bitly will now show you a set of templates. On the left-hand side, under By Use Case, select Link in Bio. This filters the templates to ones specifically designed to act as a central hub for all your links. Browse through the templates and click on the one you like best. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect at this stage. All of these templates are customizable later, so just pick something close to the look and feel you want. Next, you'll see a field where you can type in the URL you want to use. This is the link that will become your main link in bio, the one you'll share on social platforms. Type in the slug or URL you prefer, keeping it short, memorable, and on brand if possible. You'll also see options to customize the QR code that's generated. Click on the color you want for your QR code so it matches your brand or design style. If there's an option to add a logo, click on the logo space, then choose Add Logo and upload a simple, clear image that represents you or your brand well. Once you're happy with those initial settings, click on Create Your Page. Bitly will now take you into the editor. By default, you'll be in the Build tab. Here, you can edit each button on your page, change the title, update the image associated with it, and paste in the link you want it to point to. This is where you add things like your website, store, latest video, newsletter, or any other important destinations. When you've added your links, switch to the Design tab. At the top, you can edit your profile image, title, and description. This is the section visitors see first, so make it clear who you are and what this page is about. Scroll down a bit and you'll find options to customize the overall page. You can choose themes, layouts, background colors, and text colors. Take a moment to adjust these so your page feels consistent with your existing branding, but still easy to read. Below that, you can configure your social icons. Select the platforms you want to display, and then choose how the icons look, their color, style, and where they are placed on the page. This helps people quickly find you on other platforms. Further down, you'll see settings for the blocks on your page and the colors associated with them. Blocks usually refer to the individual link sections and other content pieces. Tweak these colors to make sure buttons stand out without clashing with your background. Near the bottom of the design options, you'll see a toggle to hide Bitly branding. If you prefer a cleaner, more branded experience, switch this on so the Bitly logo is not shown on your public page. Once your design and content are set, click on the Track tab. This section is where you'll be able to monitor analytics. How many people are clicking your link in bio, which buttons are performing best, and how your audience is engaging over time. Checking this regularly can help you refine which links you feature and how you present them. And that's it. You've created and customized a Bitly link in bio, complete with your own design, links, and tracking, ready to share across your social platforms.